In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add custom code in WordPress. Customizing your WordPress site with additional CSS allows you to fine-tune the appearance of your website beyond what the default theme settings offer. Whether you're looking to tweak font styles, adjust spacing, or give your site a completely unique look, adding your own CSS is a powerful way to take control. So if you're ready to make your WordPress site stand out, follow along as I guide you through each step of the process. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can easily create one using the link in the description below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to choose your preferred method of signing in. You can either enter your email address and password manually, or if you prefer, you can click on Continue with Google to log in using your Google account. If you decide to log in with Google, simply select the Google account you'd like to associate with your WordPress site, and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find the WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. The dashboard is where all the magic happens, and it's the central hub for managing your site. From here, scroll down and click on the Appearance option. This will expand a drop-down menu with several choices. From these, select Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, where you can make changes to your site's design. Within the Customizer, look for the section labeled Additional CSS. Click on it and you'll see a text area where you can paste your custom CSS code. This is the space where you can add your own styling rules to enhance your site's design beyond the default capabilities of your WordPress theme. For example, you might want to adjust the padding between sections, change the hover color of your buttons, or modify how certain elements are displayed on mobile devices. Adding your own CSS allows you to make these kinds of changes easily. Now, it's important to note that this feature is only available for WordPress sites on the business plan or higher. If you don't see the additional CSS section, it might be because your site is on a free or lower tier plan. In that case, you'll need to consider upgrading to the business plan to unlock this customization option. Once you've pasted your custom CSS, it's time to test and tweak your code. Take a moment to check how your changes appear in the live preview on the right side of the screen. This lets you make sure everything looks just the way you want it before publishing. If something doesn't seem quite right, you can adjust the code in the text area and see the updates in real time. When you're happy with how your site looks, don't forget to click the Save button at the top left corner of the screen. This step is crucial because it applies your changes and makes them live on your site. Without saving, your customizations won't be visible to your visitors. Finally, take a moment to navigate to your live WordPress site to verify that your customizations are working as expected. Browse through a few pages to ensure everything looks just the way you envisioned. And that's it. You've just learned how to add custom CSS to your WordPress site, giving you the freedom to personalize your design and make your website truly unique. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.